I say when you gotta go, you gotta go.
G'day fellow vloggers, Bandit Nev on Ruby with the baffle out of the Yoshi. Nice note, man, nice note. I'll give it up here because I can do 100 kilometers an hour here. I'll give it a bit and you can listen to it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds really nice, folks. All you dudes out there that like your sound, your exhaust sound, I thought I'd be naughty today, and naughty Bandit Nev took the baffle out to give Ruby a bit of a note. Woo. Only problem is it does reverberate in the helmet a bit, but I do have music playing in my ears, which probably helps a bit. Maybe I'll give it a bit up here as well, see if you can hear it. I don't want to speed or anything. I'll just give it a bit up here at on this road here to get up to 100 and see if you can hear it again. The old Bandito, it doesn't take long to get up to 100 k's, fellow vloggers, motor vloggers. Not long at all. But she sounds wicked. Back in a couple of days, so just ride around for a couple of days with it out, and that should feed my ego a little bit, and I won't need to have it out anymore, and I'll put it back for a while. What do you reckon, folks? Should I buzz this car going past? Whoop, he's fucking turning. We'll do some filtering. Did some filtering, folks. Oh, we're coming up to a nice view in a minute. Give you a bit of a view of the Adelaide Plains. Minus Ruby's baffle in the Yoshi. Just around this corner should get a nice view, folks. There you go. The Adelaide Plains. In the far distance you can see the sea. I can, you may not be able to with the fisheye effect. Or the GoPro not zooming. And I hope you enjoyed that little ego trip. I think I've fed the ego enough, and like I said, I'll put it back in a couple of days. Might just leave it out for the weekend to see if I get a nod. Nah, not on your bloody life, mate. Bloody cruiser, they never nod. Anyway, Bandit Nev on Ruby. With a baffle out the Yoshi. Just feeding my ego. Thanks for watching. Ride safe. Catch you later.